How to open Notes on iPhone with Face ID. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Notes and tap on it. You are now in the Note Settings page. On this page, you can set a password for locked notes, choose your default account for new notes, and set how your notes are sorted and displayed. Here, scroll down and go to Password. Turn on the Use Face ID feature below if you want to use Face ID. Then, enter your phone passcode to continue. You can now use Face ID to view and manage locked notes. Following these steps, you can easily open Notes on iPhone with Face ID. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.